Ripe. This mango is ripe and very juicy. The apple is not ripe yet, it's still green. Unripe. The banana is still unripe, it's green. Don't pick the unripe apples from the tree. Raw. The meat is still raw in the middle. The onions are still raw. Please cook them. Fizzy. The lemon soda is really fizzy. I accidentally shook the bottle, and now it's too fizzy. Greasy. This pizza is so greasy, I can feel the oil on my fingers. I don't like greasy food, it makes me feel sick. Sugary. I don't like sugary desserts. These cookies are sugary but very delicious. Chewy. The candy is chewy and sweet. I was chewing the chewy gum all afternoon. Bland. I don't like bland rice, I prefer it with spices. The bread tastes bland without butter. Tangy. This pickle is tangy and spicy. The orange was tangy and sweet at the same time. Fresh. I always buy fresh bread from the bakery. These vegetables are really fresh. Stale. This bread is stale, we need to buy fresh ones. These cookies are stale. I want some new ones. Burnt. The toast is burnt, I need a new one. Oh no, I burned the popcorn in the microwave. Crispy. I bought some crispy chips at the store. I like my potatoes crispy, not soft. Rancid. Don't drink that milk, it's gone rancid. The olive oil was rancid, so I threw it away. Bitter. The medicine is bitter but good for you. I don't like bitter vegetables. Sour. This lemon is very sour. Don't eat raw mango, it's too sour. Sweet. This candy is very sweet. I added sugar to make it sweet. Salty. The fries are salty, but I love them. Don't add any more salt, it's already salty. Spicy. Do you like spicy food? The noodles are spicy, but they are so tasty. Sticky. The dough was sticky, so I added more flour. The rice is sticky because I overcooked it.